Want to create a free automatic video? You came to the right place. This is the easy, quick tutorial. AI created this video, 42.5 seconds.
In 1922, a bold excavation changed history forever. Howard Carter stumbled upon the tomb of Tutankhamun, hidden for centuries beneath the sands of Egypt. This young pharaoh, who ruled from just 9 years old, became famous posthumously when his virtually intact burial site was uncovered. Inside, a treasure trove of gold, artifacts, and a seemingly cursed atmosphere captivated the world. Why did some who entered face untimely deaths? One explorer claimed, "The moment I set eyes on the gold, my heart raced like never before." The tomb's discovery sparked a global fascination with ancient Egypt, reshaping archaeology and tourism. Today, it reminds us of the mysteries that lie beneath our feet. What other secrets are waiting to be uncovered?
Brilliant, right? Let's do it. Sign up with your Google account. The link will be in description as always. Create a new video. Select AI story videos. Check out the categories. There are so many. Look at it. This is so interesting and so many to choose from. So I could get lost here. And you, do tell me which one is your favorite, please. Okay, my choice, fascinating historical events. Then choose the topic and the language. Choose duration. AI will write the script for you. You heard that right. You also have lovely styles to choose from. They're really beautiful and diverse. Do tell me in the comments which one you preferred. Click on generate. Simple and easy and brilliant, right? It renders the script. If you like it, just generate. You'll get an email when it's ready. Check out my automatic video tools. I have many. They're free. And I also got another video. I got 2 videos. I love this. Do tell me what you think. So if you like the video, check out my playlists. They are amazing. They have so many free AI tools. Tutorials are quick and free and easy. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for your new project. Thanks so much for being here on my journey.
Surviving against the odds, she swam to safety and continued her vital work with the French resistance. Yvonne trained as a wireless operator, helping relay crucial intelligence. Her contributions were invaluable during a time when every piece of information could turn the tide of war. But her story goes beyond survival. Did you know she faced intense scrutiny for her daring missions? Yet she persevered, becoming a symbol of bravery. As she famously said, "Courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it." Yvonne's legacy inspires us today to embrace resilience in the face of challenges, reminding us of the pivotal role women play in history.